have paired it, so it is like Ubon SP-70 as the name.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Let's try to play a song. Let's play a soft song. Check. Let's increase the volume. Oh, you can pick the calls as well from this.
देखो राइशा मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाई.
Okay, with the volume button there is a default, like when you press the volume button the next song is playing. Need to check about that. What is this?
The radio model. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, there's a lady.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Stop playing, stop playing. That's it guys, that was a quick unboxing video, and as per my experience it's pretty good, it's pretty cute. And what else I can say, it's like, you know, I've used a couple of both wireless speakers, and you know they are all good in their own way, and JBL I've used it, so it's the first time that I'm trying the Ubon one. It's a good experience. I mean, to use it for a couple of days, then I'll be familiar with you know, I'll try inserting in SD card and try connecting. There's an aux cable. We'll be doing that. Why can't I try it right now?
Aux.
So there's a lady who will be always instructing. What happened? Subwoofer fixed the problem. The cable has a problem now. Let's reduce the volume now first.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. Aux.
So the volume button is not that helpful.
Aux.
Because when I click on this, maximum.
Presenting Amazon Prime Music with no ads. Free offline downloads included with Prime.
Okay, let's try with this cable as well. We are gonna try with this cable if it works. This can be used for charging as well. We can connect it with the TV as well if you guys have a TV. So this is charging right now. I don't know why this is the maximum volume. Nope. When you connect with this cable as you can see, this is the maximum volume. I've increased the volume from here. As you can see, the media is full. So when you play using the Bluetooth, you can enjoy the music with a more louder voice. But when you connect with this kind of cable, I don't know what's the
The
problem.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Oh, you speak first. Yeah, there's a Bluetooth lady. She will be always instructing you, as I said. So you can see. Again, unpair it.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
I know it's connected, but why is there like, I want more dhamaka kind of sound, like for that purpose I buy Now, when you're in Bluetooth, understand one thing, like when you're in Bluetooth, when you try and increase the volume using this, so it will just play the next video or the next song. Okay, so it's not gonna increase the volume. So the only thing that you can do is you can just increase the volume from your mobile phone. Okay, and it's like okay. I would out of 5 I would rate it as 3 because I've used a couple of speakers. So as I've said, like, I will let you guys know the price of this Ubon speaker, Bluetooth wireless speaker SP-70. So I got it for 999, and plus the delivery charge of you, because I'm staying in a little far away place. But it could have been a little more less. I don't know. In other sites I've checked, I don't know when it was launched. It was of 2,500 kind of thing. But you know, whenever you want to buy or do online shopping, just do it after 12 midnight, because you can get a lot of offers in Flipkart and Amazon. So it's kind of like okay product. I won't rate it like this is the best. But you can choose it both, because both speakers have been using it for more than an year, and it's the same frequency that I hear. So that's it, guys. So let's it's okay, not that, you know, kind of good quality, I would say. They could have worked a little more in this plastic material, because if it's gonna fall, it's definitely gonna break. It's not of that good quality. So that's it, guys. Hope you have enjoyed the video. I got it in this pack. So this is the poor packing of Flipkart.